All right, friends, we're hours into the week this week, and I feel like it's kind of already been crazy. My friend Mary from Jolly Holiday with Mary and I tried to do a live video, a shop with me of us shopping together. It was an epic fail. We were trying every single platform, Instagram, Zoom, some Google video chat, FaceTime, every possible thing we tried. And we could not get it to record our voices as well as the video. So we went shopping anyways, didn't record a single thing. Of course, when I get out, I'm pretty sure I figured out how we could record, and it's via StreamYard. Why I didn't think of that in the first place is beyond me. But we figured it out, and I'm hoping that we'll do a shop with me soon together, because it was fun just shopping, I don't know, just with my friend who doesn't live near me. So, yeah. But in the meantime, I'm waiting for my dad with Pepper. We are gonna do some shopping, more shopping today. And I'll probably show you a little bit later today what I got at Michael's. I ended up getting two things on clearance. There's signs that I actually won't actually use those signs. But as you've seen in my other videos, my mother-in-law has a Cricut and I want to bake some other signs. And actually the materials to start the Cricut signs are not inexpensive, and these had like a cool die cut to them, so I'll show you those right here. All right, these are the two signs I got that I'm actually gonna paint and put up, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I might actually just paint this inside part here because I do like the border. So I'm thinking one of them this bigger one might say something like anyone can cook and have like Remy on it. And then the smaller one, I might do something like Gusto's or I don't know, something like that. Gotta talk to Phil. See what the overall vibe feels like. But now on to shopping with Dad. Zeus, you ready to go to BJ's? All right, I'm back from the grocery store. Kind of crazy town right now. I am unpacking groceries. Zeus stayed with my dad. He's gonna go hang out at their house. And I'm actually meeting Phil because he was at like this graduation thing for his brother. And I'm gonna go meet his family out and we're having dinner. So it's been kind of a wild Sunday, but I'm gonna show you a couple things I got at the grocery store, like a little mini haul of stuff. All right, first up, Phil doesn't know that we got this for him. My dad actually got it for him. But it is this little baby Yoda hand sanitizer. How cute is this? Phil loves Baby Yoda, and so do I. Also, they were giving away absolutely free these planners for 2020, and I don't actually use planners, but this one had all of these awesome stickers in it. So I got it for the stickers. And it had this great little like ruler in it too. So what an awesome little treat. And then my dad got me the glitter highlighters. I didn't need these, but he had a coupon and it was, if you bought $20 worth of stuff, you got $10 off. So basically I had all these binders I wanted to get, and then I had to get a couple other things to hit that threshold. So I knew I wanted these, and they were free basically, so why not? And then I wanted the binders that I showed in my Staples haul. So I got the pink ones and I got the tealy minty blue ones. So they will go perfect in my office. My dad got all of this stuff for me. I am very loved, I'm very blessed. My dad also had this charger waiting for me at their house yesterday. He didn't even know about the Staples video that I had, but I pointed out a charging little lay down charging thing for your phone, and he had already got me one. He knows just my love for technology and office supplies, and he knew the color of my office now too, so. All right, so before we went to Staples, we actually went to BJ's, which is a wholesale club that my dad and mom are members of. And one of the things I got was this little swimsuit sacks. So they're wet bags, basically. They're kind of made with like a vinyl material, and you can put your swimsuit or other wet goods in here when you're at the beach, or things inside to keep them dry. So I thought that these were really fun. They kind of had like a Polynesian vibe, and I think that it was only $5 for the 3 of them. Again, my dad treated me to these, so thank you, Dad. And I definitely will be bringing these to Disney. I also think they would be great for on cruises too, and only $5, you can't beat it. Anytime we go swimming at a family's house, I will be bringing these. Also, another thing I have to point out, I want to say these were maybe like $12, something crazy low for these command strips. These are the Velcro command strips. I love these. These are what I use to hang pictures. Anything in our home that is hung is using the command strips, with the exception of any of the mirrors. But I love these babies. If you're looking to not have too much holes or damage on your wall, the command strips, the Velcro ones, are the way to go. They're very strong and do a great job. So my big find today was at Aldi's. If you haven't watched this channel before, I love Aldi's, and I now go there every week with my dad, sometimes my mom, and of course Zeus, and do our weekly grocery shop. And I usually head over to Wegmans to get all the things that I can't get at Aldi. But they have the aisle of shame, which is basically the aisle with all of the home goods and other non-food goodies that are very well priced typically. So this week they actually had these wax melt warmers slash candle warmers. I actually have one from the exact same company. I think it's just they mass brand them to the Aldi brand, which is home, what is it called? Home something? I'm not really sure, but the Aldi brand is like HH, home and hearth, I don't know. But anyways, these are the same wax warmers, and specifically this one is one that I wanted. It was like $20 on Amazon, but it was completely sold out when I wanted it. And I knew I also wanted this one. It's like a wood one, $8.99. You cannot go wrong. I got 3 of them. I got 2 of these wood ones. One I'm gonna put in our bedroom, one in the bathroom, and then I'm kind of thinking maybe the guest bedroom for this one. I was thinking upstairs wax melts would be appropriate. So we could even have them on and kind of like leave the room and not have to worry about a fire or something. Whereas downstairs, little more like if we're downstairs, it's a little more open down here, so I don't feel as concerned about like being in the kitchen and a candle on in the other room, because I can kind of sort of see it where I have the candle. So happy about these. Then of course with the electric wax melter, they had the wax melts. So I will show you the fun scents I got. So first up is Cozy Harvest. This one is like a nice apple scent with like a hint of cinnamon in it. It's not too overpowering with the cinnamon. It's more like a fresh, juicy apple and just like a smidge of cinnamon. Then we have apple cider. Oh, this one, apple, much more cinnamony apple pie, apple cider scent. Then there's chai latte. And this one, it really does smell like chai. It kind of has that, I don't know, cinnamon, and is anise in chai? I don't know, lots of fall spices. I literally just bought the Twinings chai latte tea and this smells just like that. And then finally, pumpkin spiced whipped cream. This one's like pumpkin with like vanilla and like a creamy, yeah. All of these smell just like you would think. The only one that's kind of weird is Cozy Harvest. What does a Cozy Harvest smell like? Well, it smells like sweet apple with a hint of cinnamon. And last but certainly not least, I got this pumpkin Mercury glass candle. So it is called Pumpkin Toffee. More toffee. They might just say pumpkin because it's in the pumpkin. But yes, ooh, it's like a nice warm fall toffee scent. And I love anything caramel and toffee. This is right up my alley. And I gotta get all of our fall decor out because I have a couple pumpkins. They're more copper colored, but I think this candle will look really nice with them on our dining room table. Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's Labor Day and I'm here with my mom. We're going to Hobby Lobby.
Adventures in finding a Hobby Lobby first.
Yeah, we thought the one in Henrietta was opened. It is not.
They're still hiring people and training.
Yeah. So, but the one in Webster's always been open. So that's the one we're going to right now. Look at all the fall stuff. Loving all of this stuff. Very cute. These little pumpkins are so cute and they're 40% off. Mind you, I can't even right now, I'm so excited. All right, my mom and I tried to go to Village Bakery. We tried to go to, I think it was Bistro or Pub 237 or something like that. Everything's closed for Memorial Day, or was closed by the time we got there. So we are at Uno because I love their pizza, and I guess my mom hasn't been there, or maybe hasn't been there in a really long time. Let's go eat. Hi friends, it is a rainy Friday. I am in line at Starbucks because I am going over to Phil's family's house. His brother is getting married this weekend. So they are doing a little rehearsal this evening. I'm gonna help just get everyone lined up and make sure everything's running smoothly. Don't know, I have a business that does wedding planning. I've been doing that since about 2011. Winding that back a little bit, but I am still so happy to help any family or friends with any of their wedding planning needs. So they really just wanted someone to help the day of, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then this evening, they're gonna have the rehearsal dinner at Phil's family's house. So the mother of the groom, Christina, is cooking a delicious Indian meal, and I am headed over to help with the dining preparations. Hi friends, Pauline from the future here. I am coming on to help guide through the end of this video. First up, I wanted to show you a couple clips from the wedding. And here is an awesome picture of Phil and I because I didn't film anything of us or me talking. Well, that is about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching our weekly vlog this week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. And as always, if you enjoyed this content, I would love if you could subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.